In a world where science fiction meets reality, a thrilling narrative unfolds. It's a world where humanity, driven by an insatiable curiosity and relentless pursuit of progress, has harnessed the incredible potential of biotechnology. The fusion of biology and technology has ushered in a new era, a phase of human evolution that blurs the boundaries between what it means to be human and what it means to be something altogether different. Picture a future where we wield the power to rewrite the very essence of life itself. It's a world where organ farms thrive, governments employ artificial wombs to rebuild dwindling populations, and robots boast biological components that defy imagination. Welcome to the age of biotechnology, where humans become the architects of their own evolution, both in body and environment. The journey into this brave new world begins with a marvel known as bioprinting. Imagine 3D printing, but instead of plastic or metal, it employs living cells called bioinks. These microscopic building blocks are meticulously layered, coaxed to grow and connect, giving birth to biological structures that defy belief. With bioprinting, we are no longer merely creating inanimate objects. We are breathing life into them. It's the alchemist's dream brought to life. At its most basic level, bioprinting serves a multitude of purposes. Picture bioprinted eyeball corneas, a ray of hope for those seeking to regain their vision. Or consider bioprinted hair follicles, a potential remedy for those grappling with hair loss. Cosmetic testing takes a leap into the future, allowing individuals to experiment with personalized enhancements. Combat wounds are no longer life-altering events, as bioprinting accelerates the healing process. Venture further into this technological tapestry, and you'll discover astounding advancements. Picture 3D printed coral reefs, not just ornamental but vital ecosystems that restore marine life and heal damaged oceans. Or envision small-scale robotic space stations, equipped with bioprinting capabilities, constructing complex structures in the microgravity of space. But perhaps the most profound applications lie within the realm of human health. Bioprinted organs emerge from the depths of innovation, addressing the chronic shortage of organ donations. Miniaturized organs, or organoids, are created using a patient's own cells, revolutionizing medical testing. Prosthetic limbs, seamlessly integrating with the human body through living tissue, redefine the concept of mobility and functionality. Cybernetics, a field that bridges the gap between electronics and biology, undergoes a transformation of its own. Bioprinted organs, equipped with sensors and nanofilters, purify the air before it enters the bloodstream. Bionic eyeballs, endowed with extraordinary features like built-in zoom or infrared vision, blur the line between science and the supernatural. Some recipients claim to experience paranormal visions, revealing the profound impact of this new frontier on human perception. Across the globe, a mysterious flesh-eating disease ravages entire regions. Scientists, armed with bioprinting, craft a resilient skin that defies the disease's onslaught. A monumental achievement, some laud it as a triumph of science, while others raise unsettling questions about the very nature of humanity. Beyond the realms of medicine, biotechnology transforms architecture. Buildings constructed from bioengineered materials exhibit astonishing capabilities: self-repair, air purification, pollutant absorption, and even reproduction. Inspired by geckos and coral reefs, these structures showcase the harmonious integration of nature and technology. Some are powered by biological batteries, where bacteria store and generate energy, but concerns loom regarding planned obsolescence as companies manipulate biomaterials to deteriorate over time. Liking the video or learning something new? Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content you don't want to miss. Within these bioengineered buildings, living art flourishes. Artists employ living tissue and bioprinters to craft ever-evolving masterpieces. These city apartments, perched on the brink of rising sea levels, find protection in living sea walls, genetically engineered corals and mussels that self-repair, safeguarding coastal cities from nature's fury. Bioluminescence takes center stage in the quest for sustainable lighting. Engineered plants, bacteria, and algae mimic the glow of deep-sea creatures, replacing traditional streetlights. But in a quaint town reliant on bioluminescent lamps, a sudden decay plunges it into darkness. Conspiracies abound. Accusations of biohacking and pollution taint the once peaceful glow. Amidst these technological wonders, a robotics company unveils a creation with bioluminescent skin. This robot seems to blur the line between man and machine, raising unsettling questions about the next steps in human augmentation. Yet, beneath the glitzy surface of mainstream biotechnology, a clandestine world unfolds. Biohackers, cyberpunks, and rebels unite underground, hidden from government regulations. Microchips are implanted into their arms, digital inks tattooed onto their skin, and biocomputers constructed from biomaterials and living neural tissue. Safety features are discarded for more extreme, unauthorized neural experiences. DNA becomes a storage device, mimicking nature's capacity for data retention. These biohackers engineer grapes that ferment into wine within minutes, develop unregulated foods resistant to pests and allergies, and pioneer self-replenishing food containers that promise never-ending sustenance. These renegades take experimentation to the extreme, even exploring the cryogenic frontier in the hope of resurrecting the dead. They own pets with genes edited to produce bioluminescence, creatures that glow in the darkness of uncertainty. And then there are the chimeras, creatures born of genes from multiple species, echoing the mythical chimera of Greek lore. These hybrid beings blur the boundaries of biology and challenge our understanding of life itself. But as we delve deeper into this bio-revolution, ethical questions emerge. Corporations render older bionic prosthetic models obsolete, raising questions of ownership over these technologically enhanced limbs. Governments experiment with advanced artificial womb technology, raising concerns about population control and dictatorial ambitions. Extended gestation, a process that enhances cognitive and physical abilities through prolonged artificial womb residence, beckons us into uncharted territory. The next trillion-dollar industry revolves around biohybrid robots, blending biological tissue with mechanical components for enhanced flexibility and energy efficiency. One corporation designs biomimetic robots that can blend seamlessly into nature, interacting with the environment and animals. But concerns arise. Could these biorobots inadvertently disrupt ecosystems and drive native species to extinction? In a world where espionage knows no bounds, biohybrid robots capable of mimicking birds or insects raise fears of sovereignty breaches. Governments deploy these infiltrators, and the lines between nations blur in a dangerous dance of espionage. Amidst the chaos of a bio-waste catastrophe, biohybrid robots immune to radiation rise as humanity's saviors. They scavenge resources, rescue survivors, and clean up biohazard waste, offering a glimmer of hope in the aftermath of disaster. But perhaps the most intriguing development is the emergence of neo-humans, real-life X-Men. Biohackers and pioneers no longer considered fully human, they represent a species apart. Some repel disease-carrying insects with engineered pheromones, others become living musical instruments, and still, others turn their skin into ever-changing canvases of art. They even grow food on their bodies or hack genes from marine animals to breathe underwater. One bioengineered individual becomes a modern-day Wolverine, resistant to bone fractures and capable of rapid regeneration, thanks to engineered collagen enhancements. Others defy aging, manipulating telomeres and cell regeneration to age backward. But the most astonishing of all is the emergence of individuals with unprecedented abilities. One claims to split their consciousness, performing multitasking feats never before witnessed. Another has the power to heal through touch, transferring regenerative cells with a mere caress. In the world of biotechnology, where human ambition meets the infinite potential of science, we are rewriting the very essence of life. The drafting table of nature's blueprint has merged with human ingenuity, paving the way for the next phase in our evolution. Humanity is no longer an observer of nature, but its master, a potent force that shapes the world and ourselves in ways we could only dream of.